Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Wi-Fi limited access on your Windows. So this is a common error. Now without further ado, let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Control Panel. Click on Control Panel under the Best Match. Now here you need to view this into categories so that you can easily find Network and Internet. Click on that. Then here you will find Network and Sharing Center. Click on that. On the left pane, you'll find this option Change Adapter Settings. And here you'll find your network connections. Now the same thing for Ethernet and Wi-Fi. So the process is just the same. Make a right click and then select Disable. And then wait for some time. Make a right click, select enable. By doing it, this will refresh it. But in your case, if this is already disabled, then all you have to do is you need to make a right click and then select enable. And then you will be reconnected again into your connection. So that's it. Now for the second method, we can run some commands in the command prompt. So let's close all these windows. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. So I will be sharing the commands in the description section of this video. First command is netsh space winsock space reset. Hit enter. Next command, netsh space int space IPv4 space reset log.txt. Hit enter. Last command, netsh space int space ip space reset. Hit enter. Then type exit. Hit enter. Then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And after restarting your Windows, that limited access will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.